everybody, and welcome to an episode of Style Spy. I am Domenica, Senior Writer of Home and Decor, Singapore. In today's episode, I will teach you how to style a plain black leather and how you can incorporate it into various parts of your home.
In order to make use of empty wall space, I added a ladder to showcase some of my accessories. This is also a convenient way to have all your favorite items within easy reach. Not sure how to decorate a feature wall? Try hanging some plants, postcards, and even your favorite photos. You can also showcase your magazine collection by hanging them on the ladder instead of stacking them on the floor or shelves.
I hope you've been inspired by these looks, and we'd love to look at how you can dress up your home as well, so do share with us in the comment section below. We'll see you next time.